Hello, everybody. Look at this. We're at a BP gas station here in Aborsford, Wisconsin. And it also serves a McDonald's. There's a McDonald's connected to the Aborsford station, but we're not here to film. We're not here to get any food or anything. We're, as you can probably tell, we're here to film a car wash video. And guess what we're gonna film today? That's right, a Laserwash 4000 we have here. So I'm gonna go into the gas station, get some new batteries, and then we'll try to go right through it. You can go now. Here we are at BP/McDonald's. Go. We're at the BP/McDonald's. At the end of this video, hopefully I'll get a nice meal here at McDonald's. Okay, one of them looks like it's out, but that one looks like it's opened on that side. So, yeah, that one's broken. I can seriously tell that one's not working right. Let's see what the car washes are. There's the cash machine. You see, what are the wash options? The silver wash. Wait, no, the express wash for $6, the blue wash for $7, the silver wash for $8, and the gold wash for $9. Did you get the gold? Mm-hmm. We got the gold wash. Yep. Make sure this door shut. Lock doors, windows up, and it's telling us to pull forward. Drive through slowly. Drive forward slowly. There goes the side blast. Oh wow, they do the sides well. Now this thing has a floor treadle. There's so much stuff in the front. This thing does have a floor treadle. Maybe turn on some lights. Maybe not. Oh, stop. I didn't have the high-pitched sound. And we know you know how much we don't like physical floor sensors. Here we go. What is it doing? Looks like it's beginning out with our pre-soak. There's no sign that tells us what stage of the wash we're on. There it is, coating our car with pre-soak. Just turning around doing the back. Ooh, that stuff stinks. From the comes by our window. Jacob, this one looks a lot like the one that you filmed in Jefferson City. Now it looks like it's draining out. Okay, it looks like it's going to do a double pass on the pre-soak. Okay. Ugh, that still smells. Looks like this thing feels like it needs to do pre-soak twice. There's the wash arm. There it comes by. Now it's gonna soak. And the pre-soak's gonna soak. There's pre-soak all over our car. We got the $9, right? Much as I love Laserwash 4000s. Here goes the hard rinse. Hard rinse. There we go, hard rinse. Seems like it's doing a pretty good job. Now, Laserwash 4000 seems to take a long time when they wash, so... Oh, that stuff smells. There goes the hard rinse. There's the arm, as you can see. I wonder what they're doing now. Oh, the Rain-X sign is lit up. The Rain-X. Here we go. Rain-X. Here we go. Rain-X now. Oh, I think this is Rain-X. I'm not too sure. doing an excellent job. Running very smoothly. Okay, now what is it doing? Now it's doing triple foam. Here we go, triple foam. That's weak. That's a very weak coverage of triple foam. Goodness. BP, that's a very weak coverage. I think they need to fix that. That is... I was just saying how much good this car wash was. After that, that is a weak coverage of tri-foam. PDQ's got better washes than this. Now it's rinsing the tri-foam off. Look at that. It barely even covered the car. The tri-foam. Okay. See, they also use those T-bars. Now what it's doing? Now it's doing the spot-free rinse. Look, it's rinsing out. Everything rinses out. Spot-free rinse. See? Spot-free rinse. There's the gantry up there. I'm going to get a good view of that. It says Laserwash 4000. Okay, here go the dryers. Dry forward, throw it slowly. Oh man, that's a bump. You can feel the bump. Look at that. There's the arms spraying out all the extras. Here we go. Don't drive through slowly, Dad. Slowly. Looks like my timer must be broken. Wow, there's stuff. That's stuff. Those dryers could have been a little bit more impressive, but okay. You can take a look from the bays. The other one's broken. The other one's not working, as you can see. We're gonna drive out and we're gonna go get some food at the McDonald's. Well, anyway, I have to say, for Laserwash 4000. Not too bad. Otherwise, except for that tri-foam fail, that was the only thing that I didn't like about the car wash, was that was a very weak coverage of tri-foam. There's the car wash on the outside. And now, it's time for me to get some dinner. So, that's it.